friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up April in my social media planner. So let's get started. Alrighty, so if you are new to my channel and my videos, my social media planner is an Erin Condren monthly planner. So I just have a customized cover on here. It is just the monthly, which has a month view. I'm gonna move my stickers aside here. It has the dashboard page, and then it just has several notes pages behind each monthly tab. So that's what the book is. And then let me show you what kit I'm using for April. This is from Lemon and Honey Studio. It's an Etsy shop that was introduced to me by my friend Megan from Megan B Plans It All. We did a little kit swap where I sent her a surprise kit, she sent me a surprise kit, and the one that she sent me was from this shop, Lemon and Honey Studio. And I loved it so much, I was like, let me go on their site, let me check out what they have. So I found this monthly, and I thought it was gorgeous for April, all of the spring flowers, the beautiful blues and peaches and pinks and yellows. But I thought it was so cool because if you look at it, it's die cut on the bottom, like the flowers are shaped on the bottom of the washi here, and it's die cut in the shape of the flowers. I thought that was really cool and I wanted to give it a try. So let's get started. I'm gonna just white out some of this darker sort of periwinkle color here just to make sure it doesn't show through. I don't think it will, but just to be on the safe side. And then this right here, this darker color, the plastic of the tab kind of runs over that. So I don't know. I'm just going to do a little bit of this again, just to kind of take a little of the darkness down. And then maybe we'll do the same thing over here. So I am very excited, friends. I want to thank you all because I actually, in March, I think it was March 24th, I reached 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to make sure, I know I said it before, but thank you for that. It's been so fun and I'm enjoying all of this. Okay, I'm just, like I said, trying to get over some of the dark ones here. This is really hard with the Erin Condren print running all the way to the edge of the page. So I hope when they do their launch, I think May is their launch season, right? I hope that they redo this and they don't take it all the way to the edge next time. Okay, I'm just kind of running off the page here. Okay, I feel like that's probably, let me get some of this one out. Probably good enough. I'm just going white out crazy now. Just to kind of take that down. Okay, so now let's see how this works. First time using a monthly here. Okay, I just want to see. Yeah, I don't think it's meant to run to the edge of the page, so I'm going to line this up along this line here. I think I have it. There we go. That was kind of tricky, but I think it's really pretty. Yeah, this doesn't go all the way to the edge here, but that's okay. We're just gonna let it go and keep on moving. So, oops, did I just tear that? There, I think I can save it. Once you lay a sticker down, you really kind of can't tell it's been torn. Okay, so pretty. Let me again start, I'm gonna start here on this end. Oops. I don't think these stickers are removable, so you do have to be careful when you're laying them down. Yeah, there you go. You can't even tell that tore a little bit. Okay. Now, let's see. I think are there days of the week on here? Oh, here they are. I was like, I know I saw days of the week. So let's put these down. Oh, that's pretty. I like this font. So I promised myself in April I would try to get more back on track with posting on Instagram and my Facebook page, just because I really fell off the wagon. Oh my gosh. March was so busy, as was February leading into March, but I'm going to be busy in April too, but I'm just going to try to get a better handle on things. I also need to investigate further, like using one of those third-party apps where you can post things in advance and schedule them. So hopefully I can do something like that. Okay, so now I have date dots here. I've been kind of doing the date dots, even though that's something I normally don't do. But when it's like a really pretty kit and I really want to get like the full look of it, I've been doing it a couple of times and it's worked out really well. Like I've actually really enjoyed the fact that I did it. So we're going to take a minute here and I'm going to go ahead and use these date dots and lay them down just to bring in more of this beautiful blue here. So I'm going to take care of that and then we will come back. Alrighty, so I have all of the date dots down. I like the way that looks and I'm really happy with the blue. I think it's really sweet. I pulled this sheet of Planner Kate basic labels. It's CLR3 and it's color number 9. I use these to kind of create my little labels for all of my videos. And so we're going to go ahead and put those down. And so I'm going to start with each of the Plan With Me's. And I do those on every Sunday. So I'm going to put these down. We have Easter here on the 17th. I wonder if I should. I'm going to look at these holidays. Do they have these here? Oh, they do. I'm going to put these down here. I'll put them up at the top. So this is Palm Sunday, which is the Sunday before Easter. So I'll put Easter up here. And then we can put April Fools on the 1st. Do you prank anybody for April Fools, friends? And then where's Passover? Passover begins. I'm just going to go ahead and put these down since we have them. Good Friday. And then, is there I don't see, oh, here it is. I was like, I'm going to put, actually I can I'll put it at the top. I was going to say I can put it down here and cover that just because I don't post anything on Saturdays. Tax Day, isn't that the 15th? I don't know, did they change Tax Day? Earth Day. My husband files our taxes, so he takes care of that. I don't even see Tax Day on here, but Tax Day always was the 15th, I thought. So I could be wrong. Okay, and next we're gonna put down my monthly videos. And so I got a little bit behind in February. Well, not necessarily behind, but I had an extra sticker haul video. So my February flip through ended up going up on Friday, which was the 1st. I'm actually filming today's Saturday, the 2nd. And so then let's put okay, I'm gonna put Clean Mama here first because I have a couple of friends that are following the routine and really want to be able to kind of get on track with that. And I don't want to do it so far into the month that they're not able to get all their tasks done if that's what they're aiming and trying to do. So let's do Clean Mama here. We'll do the April monthly there. And then let's do the budget. We'll post the budget here on the 13th. And I might have to, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up doing Wednesday and Friday. I might have to switch to just doing Fridays or Wednesdays. So anywho's, that's sort of what's going on. And then I am going to put let's see, the March flip through, I'm going to kind of put more towards the end here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a blank here because that might be a sticker haul. I have to order my kits for May or see what I need to order. I may not need to order a bunch, but I will leave that there for that. And I'm going to go ahead and put 2 more blanks here for a Wednesday and a Friday, just hoping and assuming that I will be able to keep up this schedule and get some videos down. Let me peel this up real quick. I put it a little low. There we go. Okay, so that's that. And let me know your thoughts and ideas. If there's something you'd like me to try to video, I can certainly keep it in mind and see if I can figure it out. Okay, so I have this wide washi here that I wanted to put down on this page. This is where I'm gonna make my little checklist so that I have sort of all of my to-dos and make sure I get everything posted on time. I'm just kind of lining this up so that it runs along the top edge there. And then I do need to trim that. cool. There's that. And then what I'm going to do is I just use a gray Papermate flare. I love Papermate flares. And what I do here is I just create my little checklist, like I'll show you here in March. I create this little grid just with some lines. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw those in. Okay, that's that. And then I am going to fill in my little slots here with these scripts from Fern Creek Stickers. So we have film, edit, upload, and then for the thumbnail, because I'll film, edit, and upload, and then I'll always forget to do the thumbnail. I always just put TN here, and then I put live for when the date that the video is going to get posted and go live. Okay, so that's that, and then all I need to do here is just fill in each of those videos. So I usually just do Plan With Me 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Because I think there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. And then I have my April monthly, April Clean Mama, media, and budget. Not necessarily the order that they'll post, but, and then let's put in a haul video that I'll have of some kind, and then I have to come up with something else to do. Alrighty, friends. So now over here, what I've been doing is putting up here the 4 monthlies. So the monthly in my plan, like life planner, my Clean Mama, my social media, my budget. Since there are 4 of them and there were 4 dots here, I figured that works perfectly. So I had this custom this month here made by Saya from Saya Planning. So I'm going to put this here, and then there were some dots here. I thought this was cute. I might as well use these to cover these up here just to bring in some more color. I really hope that when Erin Condren does their May launch that they bring back the neutral. I know they have their focused collection, which is really neutral, but it's not on a coil. So that's kind of a bummer. And let's see, I have another Saya Planning custom scripts where I put weekly kits. And so then this is where I will put down each of my weeks. And then my last Saya Planning custom script is social media, and I am just going to put this here. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to put it like, I'm very left aligned. Like I like left alignment. So I'm going to put this right here so I don't cover like smack in the middle of this beautiful floral here. Okay, so that is kind of it. And if we look back to how I'm doing in March, which just ended, this was the March setup. I have to go back in and fill in any of my social media posting, which I don't think I did very much for March, friends, at all. And then I did, oh, I do have to finish this off because this did go live, so I can check this off. And it ended up going live on 4/1 instead of in March. And then you see here, I have each of the kits planned for the monthlies and then each of the kits planned for the weeklies. What did I do in week 2? I have to write that one in. Oh, this was the surprise kit. That's why I didn't write it in originally. It's my surprise kit from Megan, so I can go ahead and fill that in with the Lemon and Honey Studio kit. So that's what March was looking like, and then just all of my notes. So this is all, I go through a lot of this in my February, I'll go through all of this in my March flip through as well. But I think that's the basic setup, friends. So again, I will use these pages to kind of start planning out some of my social media. I got to plan out my kits for May, which is what I'll do here in April. And then I got to get working on some content for y'all. I think that's it for this video, friends. Here we go, just flipping back to the monthly view. Alrighty, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.